Hey everyone, how is it going? Welcome to Bistégs TV. Today, we're making a Filipino favorite, chicken adobo with boiled eggs. This dish is savory, tangy, and so simple to make. Trust me, you'll want to stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the perfect recipe that'll wow everyone at the table. Ready? Cool, let's get cooking. First, we're going to heat some cooking oil in a pan. Once it's hot, toss in some minced garlic. Listen to that sizzle. Stir it around for a few seconds to release all that amazing aroma. The garlic is the foundation of our flavor, and it's already smelling delicious. Now, let's add our sliced onions to the pan. Stir them in with the garlic and let them cook until they soften and turn slightly golden. The sweetness from the onions is going to balance out the tangy flavors of the adobo, creating that perfect flavor base. Keep stirring and enjoy that wonderful aroma. Next, we're adding our chicken pieces to the pan. Stir them well so they soak up all the garlic and onion flavors. Let the chicken brown on all sides, which will give it a nice texture and lock in those delicious juices. This step is key because we want the chicken to absorb as much of the flavor as possible before we add the rest of our ingredients. Keep stirring until each piece is nicely coated and golden. Now that our chicken is browned, it's time to add the real flavor. First, pour in some soy sauce, which will give the dish that deep, savory base. It's already looking good. Then add a splash of vinegar. This is where adobo gets its signature tangy kick. For the next step, add half of a chicken cube for that extra umami punch. We're also going to add fresh black pepper for a bit of spice. And don't forget the bay leaves. They'll add an earthy, aromatic touch that brings everything together. Now, give it all a good stir, making sure the chicken is well coated. Cover the pan and let it cook on medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. After simmering for about 20 to 25 minutes, give everything a good stir to make sure those flavors are well combined. At this point, you can add a little sweetness if you like. 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar is perfect for balancing the tangy vinegar. This step is optional, but it adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Stir it in gently and let it melt into the sauce. Now for our final touch, add your peeled boiled eggs. Stir them carefully into the adobo, making sure they get coated in that rich sauce. The eggs will soak up the flavors and give the dish an extra layer of heartiness. Let them sit for just a couple of minutes to warm through, and now we're almost done. And that's it! Our chicken adobo with boiled eggs is ready to serve. Just look at how tender the chicken is and how beautifully the eggs have absorbed the flavors. Perfect for sharing with family and friends. You won't be able to resist going back for seconds. Thank you so much for joining us today on Bistégs TV. We truly hope you enjoyed making this chicken adobo with boiled eggs as much as we did. If you found this recipe helpful and delicious, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you. Cheers.